Good morning and welcome. My name is Sandra and welcome to my channel. This morning I am going to be doing an unboxing. So the first one I am going to do is from Birchbox. Right, so for those of you who don't know, Birchbox is a monthly subscription box. It's actually one of the more affordable of the boxes, depending on the subscription you take out. It only costs £10 per month, plus the £2.95 postage and packaging, if I get that correct. What Birchbox do, they give you a variety of beauty products, ranging from makeup, so cosmetics, it'll be skincare, it'll be hair care. Occasionally you might get the odd tool. What they also do is, what I think they do really well as well, is that they're one of the brands that will give you or introduce to you a new brand. So it'll be a new independent brand or just something we've never heard of before. One of the things I don't like about Birchbox is that you do tend to get a lot of samples, but I've noticed in the last few months that the size of the samples are improving. So instead of just getting one use samples, we're getting samples that we can probably use 2 or 3 times, so you can actually sort of try and test the product out. So here we are. So this is the box. We've got a box that says "You go girl," so I'm assuming they're sort of centering around the International Women's Day that we had last Thursday. And we've got a print there, which is almost like an animal print style box. So there you go, that's the design of the box. Another thing I like about Birchbox is that you get these little drawers. So the box is in a design of a drawer, which is great for storage. And I also use them as well. Like if I do a giveaway, I like to put my sort of giveaway products inside boxes like these. So I tend to either use these boxes, the Birchbox boxes, or I use the Lookfantastic boxes. So let's see what we've got this month. So we're in March 2019. You go girl, that's the theme. What do they say here? So they say, "Hello Birchboxers, whether you're juggling career ladder, climbing and an active social life, or balancing frantic school runs with looming deadlines, us ladies are pretty incredible. This month we're leaning into multitasking mode and celebrating the beauty products that will help make your busy life a little easier. Just remember, whatever this crazy world throws at us, you go girl." You know the song I've got going in my head right now? You know the oh god, was it Destiny's Child? I don't know if it was Destiny's Child or it was Beyonce by herself, but it was like, "Who runs the world?" That song. So okay, we've got the sneak peek for April is a Pick Your Estate Baked Highlighter. So we've got a choice of Afterglow or Lit. So that's the April sneak peek. So we've got that one or that one. I might just try that one as something different because I've got loads of yellowy gold highlighters, so I might choose that one. Okay, I'm going to start off with the sneak peek for last month, which was it was a clay mask, and I can't remember if it was a peel off mask or just a mask you can put on your face and wash off. So we have a sample size here of 15 millilitres. So it says here, "Meet the next big thing in masking, packed with all natural activated charcoal, which works like a magnet to draw out dirt. It detoxifies, it clarifies, it boosts hydration, reduces oil and minimises the appearance of pores. Phew! Apply a thin layer, leave for 10 minutes, then rinse off and say hello to brighter, clearer skin." So there you go. So that's the first item this month, so that's all good. I'll give that all a go, as you know. Right, what we've also got in here, see if I can take this out. We've got here, okay, this is an item that's in the theme of the box. So I'm assuming the box is designed around this product design. So it looks like it's the Beauty Crop. It's obviously a Birchbox exclusive. Go and buy that. You see that? It says Birchbox up there. The Beauty Crop Birchbox You Go Girl Bronzer Compact. Ooh, bronzer. It says at the back, Tanneries bronzer. Oh dear, this scares me. Right, I'm hoping that they've used my profile. So we've got the Beauty Crop You Go Girl Bronzer Compact in Tanneries or Sardinia Sand. So cheat a sun-kissed glow with this bronzer from the Beauty Crop, loaded with antioxidant rich green tea to energise and refresh the skin. This long-wearing formula lasts all day. Dust over cheeks with a big fluffy brush for a healthy glow all year round, or pat onto eyelids for a subtle touch of colour. So this is a full-size product. A recommended retail price for this is £8. Right, let's open this up and see what the colour's like. Actually, looking through this plastic, the colour might be alright. Okay, so this is what it looks like. That's what the packaging looks like. Actually, you know what? I could get away with that colour. That's very similar in colour to my Bobbi Brown one. It's not as dark as my CoverGirl Queen one, but I think I can get away with that. So I'm not going to give this one away, so I'm going to swatch it and see what it looks like on my hand. Oh. Oh, I don't know. Oh, might not be dark enough. Okay, I will test this out another time and we'll see. But, for bronzers for my kind of skin tone, obviously, no, we do get darker in the sun as well. Don't think that just because I'm blacker I don't get darker in the sun. We do. But what tends to happen to our skin will get more, it'll get bronze, but reddish bronze. So bronzers for us tend to need to be more of a red undertone to really sort of stand out. So I know for white skins they need to be more cool, don't they? But for us it needs to be a more warmer, just to show that we've been hit by the sun so we can use it. I'm not sure this has got a red enough undertone for me, but I will give it a go and we'll check it out. Next in here is this. This looks like it's a mascara or something. Okay, no, this is a Cella Eyebrow Defining Gel in clear. Between pencils and powders, there's a lot you can do to your brows, but sometimes less is more. That's where this clear brow gel comes in. Let it lift and tame hairs and lock them, and anything you've applied underneath into place all day. Simply blush the clear gel through your brows to set. The recommended retail price for this is £15.50, and this is a full size, so this is worth £15.50. Okay, so it looks like that. So it's the same sort of product like the Pixie Eyebrow Tamer, that same sort of thing. So I will test this out and see if it's any good. So that's all good. Next we have quite a few things inside this box. Is that right? Gosh, yeah. A lot of things inside this box. So we've got this product from Caudalie. I remember last year we got loads of Caudalie products last year. I haven't seen so many this year. I think this is the first Caudalie product I've received in 2019. So this is Caudalie Vinosource SOS First Quenching Serum. I've received this before. So recommended retail price for the full size of this is £29. This is just a sample, and what we have here looks like a 10ml. This featherweight 97% natural oil-free serum restores skin's balance, creating a perfect base for makeup. Like all Caudalie products, it uses the power of grapes to rejuvenate and instantly regulates your hydration levels. A parched skin saviour. Apply morning and night to cleansed skin. Okay, not sure when I'm going to get around to using that, because I think I've got a couple of these in a little, I've got a tin which I use, which I put all sort of small skincare products in, and I haven't got around to it yet, so not sure when I'll get around to this. Right, next we've got inside the box, this is from, okay, it's from Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Conditioner. All good, this is good. This repairing conditioner blends hydrating coconut oil with Tahitian manoi to rejuvenate dehydrated hair and bring your strands back to life. Plus the creamy formula coats each strand for a silky smooth detangled finish. Comb through wet hair from roots to ends, then rinse out after 1 to 2 minutes. I've received this product before actually in my hair box I get from TRESS, so I have received this before, and it's a decent conditioner. It's one of those conditioners I use for a quick condition and not for a deep condition, but it's a good product, and it's a good size we've got here as well. So we've got 50 millilitres here. The full size of this is £4.49. And there's more inside this box. So I've also got a perfume sample from Charlotte Tilbury. So they're saying here, plus a little something extra. Charlotte Tilbury Scent of a Dream. Full size of this is £49, recommended retail price. An award-winning, effortlessly beautiful fragrance, blending invigorating lemon, peach and black pepper with a heart of hypnotic florals, jasmine, tuberose, violet and patchouli, and amber base notes. It's guaranteed love at first spritz. Simply spray directly onto your pulse points. I'm not going to try it on now, basically because I've got the Lush perfume on, the one from, oh, I can't remember what the make is, but it's that Lush perfume which I got in my sort of Lush PR, and I've just got used to wearing that every day because it's just such a nice fragrance. So I won't be able to smell this because I've got all the other smells around me, but there you go. So it's Scented for Dreaming. We've got a sample, and it looks like I've got a little extra here. So I've got an extra here, so I'm assuming this is because someone has signed up using my referral link, so thank you if you know it's you who's done that. So I've got this product here, and this is Rouge Bunny Rouge, as if it were a summer store, Bronzing Glow Liquid Miniature in shade 65. I don't know what this is. When I see a little box like this, I usually think it's a lipstick, but they're saying bronze. Okay, so it's a little tube like this, and it's a Bronzing Glow Liquid 65. Okay, oops. Oh, it's got a little protective seal. Oh, I don't want to make a mess because I've got a black outfit on here, but I want to see what this is. Alright, so it's got a little nozzle like that, and we can see the colour. That's the colour. See if this shows up on my skin. Yeah, and you can see it, but it's quite light. So I suppose I could use it as, I don't know, maybe I could use it as part of my contouring, reverse contouring maybe. I don't know. Right, okay, so that's my Birchbox this month. So yeah, nice little Birchbox. Products that I can use. I've got doubts about this bronzer. I'm not sure about that. Moisturiser, I'm not sure I'll be using that. The brow gel, I'll definitely end up using that because I'll always use that. Perfume, I will try out. Definitely looking forward to using my mask. And this I don't know about. So that's my products this month. Okay, if you've got your Birchbox, what did you get in it? Because they are trying really hard to put products in that box that will suit our beauty profiles, and I can see they made an effort with this one here. So let me know what you got inside your box, and are the products something that you're enjoying? This box for me is so-so. It's okay. It's reminded myself that the box only cost me £13, so you know I can't argue too much about that. So yeah, it's not every month's box is going to be outstanding, because last month's box was good, and I think the month before was really good as well. So this month's box is a little bit so-so, but I don't mind. It's okay. I always like to see what they're going to provide us, and if it's products that I can use. I could potentially use 3 out of the 5 products in this box, so all good really, isn't it? But tell me what you got inside your box. Are you happy with your box this month? Yeah? Bit of girl power going on here? Alright. Thanks very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a like, and if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? You know what you need to do. Just press that subscribe down below. That's the word written in red in subscribe. If it's in red, that means you haven't subscribed to my family yet. And I always say, if you've got to this point and you've watched more than one of my videos, you might as well subscribe. And whilst you're there, press that little bell as well, because then that will alert you when I do my next upload. Alright, take care. See you soon. Bye.